I got no family. But thanks for trying.
Got a flair for women.
All right, folks, gather around. Watch his back begin. Gather around. All righty, you all. It's high noon. We got to get this selection of horse flesh bought and paid for. Bring out the first one. All righty, here we are. May not be too broke, but a worker. A good animal. What do we hear for a starter? Here's 20. Here's 25. Do we hear 30? 30, anybody? Good workhorse. Can't go wrong on this one. Good workhorse. Do we hear 30?
Looks like we made it just in time.
Do we hear 30? 30.
I'll take
Do we
care
hear
of
30? Do I hear 30?
No.
Good animal here. You're missing a chance. I got 30. I got 30. Do we hear 35? 35. 35. Going once, twice, 3 times there. Sold to the bow-legged cowboy for $35. Tommy, let's get that good-looking black one in here. You can see for yourself how full of spirit he is.
You mean halter size, don't you, Asa?
A good animal, fine animal for the man who can take him.
I like him as is. $5 worth.
As is $50.
There's a man that knows horse flesh and knows what he wants. $50, looking for 100. 100.
You got it.
150.
Exactly $200 and no cents.
If he's worth 200, he's worth 3. I hear 3, don't I?
You just heard it, 300.
You just bought yourself a horse, Fred.
I've got 300, we'll hear more. 350. Going once, twice, 3 times, and sold for 300. Pay the Italian, collect your bill of sale.
300?
Well, I'll try to get a holder on him. Why anybody wants to buy him, I'll never know.
Good luck.
Try to get a rope on him. Keep it low.
Let's see,
Next animal is one you can lasso.
Here you go. Bartender, when does it line up around here? Mister, this here's Rimville.
Yeah, they call it Rimville because it's right on the edge of nothing. That place I saw coming in, that hotel, is that the only place to stay?
Yeah, across the street there.
That's what I was afraid of.
Oh, sometimes things liven up about sundown. Can hardly wait.
Flat. Rimville. Things pick up anymore. I just don't think I'm gonna be able to stand it.
We'll rest up from all the excitement over at the hotel. You know, I bet the chambermaid will be 72.
As a matter of fact, he is.
$400 profit. I'll take the bill of sale for the black.
That's sure a nice profit, mister, but sorry, I'm not interested.
All right. Double your profit. I'm Gabriel Bingham, and I want that horse. I don't remember you inviting anybody over here, Joe. Did you invite anyone over here?
No, I didn't invite anybody. Did you invite somebody?
Well, I didn't invite anyone over here.
Hello, I'm sorry, Mr. Bingham, but I can't sell a horse. It's not mine to sell. See, it belongs to a fellow who's in bed hurt. And to hear him talk, that's the greatest animal in the world, so sorry.
Hey, cowboy, you know who that was?
Oh, yeah, that's Gabriel Bingham. He likes black horses. I get a strange feeling our exciting night in Rimville has just come and gone.
Joe, give me another look at that bill of sale.
Perhaps it's a bill of sale.
You got me curious. I must have missed something when I looked at that horse.
No, I counted 4 legs and a head. Hey, bartender, what do we owe you for the champagne, the pheasant, and the glass, and the dancing girl?
Huh?
The bill, please.
$2.06. I'm going back over to the stable and take another look at that horse.
All righty. I'll be up in a room figuring out exciting stories to tell Brother Hoss when we get back. You see, that was 2 and 6 bits?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there you go. Buy a beer for the lady.
Hold it right there. Put that horse right back where you found it. You hold it right there, mister. Drop your gun. Go ahead. Get your hands up. And turn around real slow. All right, boys, get up.